Here we go, 19 to 22 today, 19 bis 22. Okay, so we got 4 cards today. Here we go, Nummer 19, how do you ask it? Hey, yep, everybody. In welcher Klasse bist du? Any idea what it means? What grade are you in? Good. Okay. Note that is in welcher. There is an R there. Okay, so make sure you have that R on there. So, what grade are you in? Okay. This is going to be a pretty easy fill in the blank one. Okay. So, how do you say I am? Ich bin. In. How do you say that? In. Yeah. Good. Okay. Then you're going to say der. Leave a blank for your grade. And what's the word for grade again? Klasse. Okay. So we're going to say 9th, 10th, or 11th. Okay. So you need that special ending on it. Okay? Just like you did for your birth dates and stuff like that. Okay. So 9th grade would be what? 19. What about 10th? Sainton. Kind of is like 10. And 11th? Elfton. I don't have any seniors, so we don't have to worry about 12th. Okay? That's it for that one. Ich bin in der 9. Klasse. Ich bin in der 10. Klasse. Ich bin in der 11. Klasse. Okay? So everybody try that one. Fill in your correct grade when you say it. Okay? Ich bin in der 9. Klasse. Ich bin in der 9. Klasse. Gut. Fragen? Nein. Schön. Alright. Nummer 20. How do you ask it? Everybody try it. Wie findest du deine Deutschlehrerin? What's it mean? What do you think of your German teacher? Choose wisely. I'm going to give you some positives. If you want something other than that, you got to figure out how to do it on your own. Okay. There are going to be a couple times when you're going to be talking about your opinion about somebody. So later you'll give opinion about parents and about siblings and stuff like that. Okay? So the same general pattern is going to work for all of these. Okay? So you're going to say, Ich finde meine Deutschlehrerin now you're going to give 2 things. I'm just going to say this now. Saying that I'm short is not an opinion. That is fact. Okay, so you cannot answer with that.
That's an opinion. Because some other people here are short.
Wesley? I will mark you wrong. Okay? Alright, so some things that you could put down. Cool. Lustig, which means funny. Intelligent. That should be sufficient. Now, I will tell you, remember you had your family album stuff. You have more things in there. Okay, so that's a good starting point if you want to go find something else. Okay? But all you're doing is putting in 2 adjectives. Don't get super creative in what you're putting in there. Okay? Odds are good that's where you're going to mess it up. Okay? As long as you do it correctly, you'll be fine. Okay? Any questions on that one? How do you say the second word? At the top. Finde. What about in the question? What's the second word? Findest. Yeah, so it's not finda or findest. Okay? Find. Like fin. Like fish have fins. Okay? Let's move on. 21. How do you ask 21? Everybody. Was ist dein Lieblingsfach? What's it mean? Good. So you do need to give a favorite subject. You can give one or you can give multiple. Okay, needs to be in German, so keep those subjects simple. Okay, so don't go for things like developmental psychology and, you know, all that kind of stuff. Keep it basic. Tell me the general classification of the thing. So instead of saying, you know, AP Calc AB or whatever it's called, you know, say math. Okay. So if you have one, mein Lieblingsfach ist. Insert subject. Okay. If you have more than one, meine, because it's plural now, Lieblingsfächer sind, and then list them. Deutsch und Deutsch. Yeah.
Is math
Mathe. Yep. All right. Everybody try the top one as it's written. Mein Lieblingsfach ist Deutsch. Bottom one as written. Meine Lieblingsfächer sind Deutsch und Deutsch. Oh, let's try that again. Everybody. Meine Lieblingsfächer sind Deutsch und Deutsch. There we go. Okay? Fragen? Yeah.
Okay, is it Lieblingsfach or whatever, or Lieblings?
Oh, thank you. Sehr schön. Very good catch.
You always say the plural. Yeah.
Nope, it's not plural. Anytime you say favorite something, it'll be Lieblings with the S. Dankeschön, Alyssa. Good catch.
So did she extra credit for that?
No, but she's already doing well, so she knows this one already. What? If she hadn't caught it and corrected it for me, I would have corrected it on your cards. So, then you would have gotten it wrong if you didn't memorize the card correctly. All right, last one for today. It's 22. How do you ask it?
Seit wann lernst du Deutsch?
Okay. Everybody, seit wann lernst du Deutsch? Any idea? On the right track. So, literally, since when have you learned German? But it means how long have you learned German? Okay, so everybody will have the same answer for this one. Okay. Seit einem Jahr. No commas in here. Lerne ich Deutsch. So this one is a level 2 question, a medium question, because of the word order. The sentence itself, the content, is not hard. Okay? But remembering where the verb goes, that's the harder part. Okay? So most people, if they screw this one up, will say, Ich lerne seit einem Jahr Deutsch, or something like that, or seit einem Jahr ich lerne Deutsch, instead of lerne ich. So make sure you have the verb in the right spot. Why is it so weird? Are you starting with your time instead? That's all it is. Okay? So everybody try that one. Seit einem Jahr lerne ich Deutsch. Let's try that again. Seit einem Jahr lerne ich Deutsch. Alright, gut. Fragen?